Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. Sorry if there's any glare. We've got an acetate top box here. So this is my finished Winter Whispers project. So this collection was my November Journaling Joy collection. And every time I do one, I make some kind of fun project and I share the process. So this is a beautiful sturdy gift box made completely from chipboard. It's stunning. We've got a shaker lid. We've got a magnetic closure. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a big box. You couldn't make this out of cardstock. It had to be chipboard. And then when it opens, we've got our fantastic items that we've made from the collection. So let me just remove all, so they all fit in here. And I've done tutorials on everything in one place or another except for one item. So I'm just going to remove all of my items. Look at that beautiful box. It's absolutely stunning, decorated all around. And I've designed it so that it's got a pretty lip all the way around. It's absolutely stunning. So we made the beautiful card. Very popular on YouTube. Everybody loved it. Not my original idea, it's as old as the hills, but this beautiful paper just made it have a wow. So I've got a tutorial on that. Then we've got the magnetised belted wallet with the acetate pocket. Okay, you've got a photo mat in there, beautifully decorated, but everything in here has been kept pretty simple. Clean and simple was my mantra for this month. So in here we've just got a simple photo mat there. We've got a simple belly band with this photo here. Room for more photos there. And then on the back here we've got another pocket and another little flip and another little photo mat. So you can get quite a few photos in just this little tiny little item. Okay, so let's bob that back. So that was item 2 that we made. The box is obviously 3. And then I did make this. Now there's no tutorial on this because in honesty I've run out of steam on this project. But it's very simple, okay? It's just a sheet of card. I've made a shaker frame with acetate and foam tape and I've put an image behind and I've turned it into a pocket. So it's kind of like, has it got 2 lots of acetate? It's got acetate at the front for the shaker. Then it's got foam tape and then there's acetate behind as well, okay? To just make a very simple pocket for a photo, and then on the back I've added another pocket to put another little photo. So I'm sorry there's no tutorial on that, but it's nearly Christmas and I'm running out of steam. And then this one I made with my members. So my monthly members, I do videos. I try to do them once a week. When I get busy with designing or it's holidays, they don't get them, but you know, I try and make it up to them. And we made this lovely little wallet here with photos in, okay, like so. 2 little photo mats there, photos there. Very simple, very clean and simple. And then the back has another pocket and then a little belly band. So what we're up to, that's four items including the box. So every month when you pay £3 for the subscription for the papers, you're getting a heap of inspiration. So that's 1, 2, 3, that's 5 including the box. And then we've got the Slimline journal, which I did the different kind of binding on to give it a try. I really like it. And it's got a shaker at the front and a shaker at the back. Okay, this one opens this way. We've got a pocket with photo mats. And we've got some little photo mats here. Okay. And then inside the journal, oh, got a bit of something there. I've just done 2 simple pockets. Okay, I've shown you a million times how to make pockets. I've just done 2 simple pockets with some photo mats and some journaling cards. The journal I have just left plain. I've not even decorated it. Okay, I've not even decorated it. What I may do is, I've got a heap of fussy cuts that matches this. I may put them in a little bag and add them in the box, okay? But this was meant to be just for writing. Slimline writing journal. But we do have this fancy pocket in the middle because of the way that we bound it, and I bound it in a different way, okay? And then there's another one somewhere. Here's another one. So I've added some more little photo mats. Okay. And then in the back page, I've just done another simple pocket, added some more photo mats and tags and a fussy cut. Just kept it clean and simple. But then on the back, we've got this shaker. And of course, it has to open. Looks like I've caught that paper there. I'll have to glue that back down. It has to open to reveal more photos. And that is magnetised. Okay. So I showed you how to do everything. I just didn't show you how to lay the photo mats and make the pockets. But I mean, they're so simple. Anybody can do them. Okay. I love this cover. Absolutely love it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the box. That's 6 projects that I've made this month. For inspiration of using the Winter Whispers. Obviously, you can make anything you want. Make these projects using any paper you want. If you check out the link in the description box below, there will be a playlist which shows everything that I've made on YouTube for this project, including the box, the journal, the belted folio and the card. Just the shaker one I haven't done, and the fold out folio I did with my members. So I hope that's given you lots of ideas and inspiration. That is a weighty. That's weighty, is that? What a great piece, and what a lovely, lovely collection that you could gift somebody at any time of year. You could make that into a birthday card, and you could add photos into all of these little elements for them and give it to them, or leave it blank for them to do. And then they've got a journal for even more memory keeping with this fantastic double open magnetised shakers. It doesn't get any better than that, does it? I think that's fabulous. I'm over this project now. It's time to move on to a new one. This has been a bit of an epic journey, but we've done it. We've created a complete gift set from just one paper collection that only costs £3 a month. I love shakers. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.